This is a summary of pages 40 through 60, and I like to call this part Disconnected Marriage. So Montag goes home and hides a book after he witnesses the suicide with the old woman. He realizes that Mildred is completely obsessed with the TV family on their walls. She's not really paying attention to him. He tries to converse with his wife, but it does not go anywhere. He also finds out through Mildred that Clarice was hit by a car and died. And this really startles Montag even more. The next part I like to call is faking sickness. So the very next day, he wakes up feeling sick. And Montag wakes up feeling super guilty from the night before, from the being a part of this woman committing suicide, because he was the one that did pour kerosene all over those books. He tries to convince Mildred that he wants to take a sabbatical, and Mildred challenges him about that decision. And Beatty ends up visiting Montag, coincidentally, which is, to me, it's not very much a coincidence that Beatty comes in. So he comes in, and they begin to talk about why books became an issue in their society, and he goes through the history of how technology has become such a big distraction for human beings. After this big debate goes on, Beatty, as he's talking, Mildred is trying to fluff up Montag's pillow, and as she does that, she could feel that Montag keeps pushing him away, which probably makes her more persistent, and she ends up touching a book under his pillow, and she begins to question, but not enough to where Beatty realizes it fully. At the very end of this conversation, Beatty warns Montag that yes, if a fireman takes a book home, he has 24 hours to burn it before things escalate. So please enjoy the reading for pages 40 through 60. Thank you very much.